Nyakora muga juang. En mana champes. To biang mano beli se video kanyo ni en homology. Iwacha nade. Nyakora muga juang. Mano ishara tosha. Ni nyakasani wase chako. Cheno ni mar ngejo thumbe. Watokono mana kakinene. Wase tiyo mana kanyo mar miel. To pod miel biro. Nikech puro di nyime. Kawa chako Twak sani mar ngejo thumbe. Nyinga Klefa Soloch. To kayo wantiere gi wendo. Mabedo ken wendo kuom kanyo. Nyalo bedo ni mae hango ne chopo Ramogi TV. Wijo kata kwacho ni Omolo nimetoka Bondo. Wewe wije koro ko wacha kende. Kinyalo mana wile. Omolo tumetoka Bondo kaka introduction mare okinyi makawuoni. Kinyalo mana kao. Mae maka Omolo umetoka Bondo alafu ikono ni Bondo ni kanye.
Umeuliza nini?
Koro kata kinyalo chako ni sani koro Omolo. Wendi mar Omolo cha. Kinyalo mana were karo biro.
Okay. Nilikuwa niwenda uko Don Home. No, I'm not going to sing that part. Let me sing the pull up in a hamakali vondo. Guala muskari kama kombo. Nimepiga suti kama njonjo. Lakini trao chini ni Colombo. Mi waspenangi uongo. Me I don't mess with no bombo. Omolo nimetoka Bondo. Omolo nimetoka Bondo. Yes sir.
Omolo
from
Omolo uok Bondo.
Uok Bondo.
Iwok Bondo kanye. Moko Omolo jiongi kaka Khaligraph Jones. Nyingi ya nga. Nyingi manumi dala.
Nyinga Brian Ouko. Brian Robert Ouko Omolo.
Brian Robert
Ouko Omolo. And Bondo from a place, there's a place in Bondo called Uyoma. Yeah.
Mani uok Uyoma.
I walk Uyoma.
To Uyoma kanye midonge ko sidongo Nairobi ka?
I don't go Nairobi.
Koro kidongo Nairobi ka. Weche gi mag wer makoro in nga ma ji onge piny mangima kata kirango Africa kai East Africa in jawer maduong. Ni chake yo ma ni chake kanye. Wer ni chako kure.
Chako wer in when I was a young kid, kiwa mtoto. My dad, the late Mr. Lawrence Omolo, Oherotum. So I used to see him, just off that experience, and I say to myself, Anbe adwaro agoyo msik, Anbe, and that's how it all started, yeah.
To okiwer keni, ntiyo wadu mabende wer?
Yeah, Angi, my brother, he goes by Lama Sochieng, but people know him as KOB. He's also Oero and Jatum. And Jatum Pia. So I used to see him do it as well, because he started doing it before me, and then I was like, Anbe, nakama ikitu. I can flex with it, yeah.
Nitie jok moko mana kaki wacho ni nitiere wadu mawer, nitie jogo matendo, makoro ekoka donjo e weche mag thum. Kendo gidwa ni mondo giwer ka gitimo gigo ma itimo. Wacho ni in hip hop artist maroma Kenya ka kendo ji mathoth mora ahinya gi tich ma itimo. Jogo maneni ka iwer to datimo gino ma itimo. In kaka mentor margi. Inyalo kono gi ang'o kotenore kod weche go duto mag wer. Onego gitim ang'o mondo gibed jower maber.
Usually I say this, this thing takes time, because when we were starting, ile wakati tulikuwa tunachako.
Kanu chako wer.
Dam chako wer. We did not have these opportunities. We, like akukwa na platform, we used to go to places, but we would not get the attention that we needed. Lakini over time, tukaekelea 2BD, we were just consistent with it, na eventually Nyasaye kafungua njia. How do you say that?
Oyaoyo,
Nyasaye oyaoyo, yeah. So na ikakuja hadi ikafikia mali tuko hapa. So I usually tell people, young people who want to do music, take your time and just perfect your skills, and Nyasaye obro fungua njia.
Obro yao niyo, yeah. Kiwacho weche giduto ng'ato nyalo penjore ni Khaligraph Jones kodhi dala kocha. Bodo je weche moko mag kanisa gi ndio wer manu golo chien gi jathu moro mabende ne orwako lewni mag lemo ka odhi dala.
Pesa. what about that?
Weche gi duto maga mang'ato nyalo wacho ni koro ka Khaligraph Jones en mane gigi duto Nyasaye nigi thuolo mane kata ko wacho ni ati jok moko nyalo bedo ni wer jok moko ok lu weche go mag kanisa kidhi dala kocha mama samoro teri kata kanisa
even before I answer that question, man, big up, bro. You've really pushed me to get this interview, man. I'm trying my I am trying my best here, Annie. Hey, but yeah, man,
koro kawarango wadhi mana nyime gi wer mantiere kae weche mantiere sani ka watemo mana rango gi mantiere sani weche mag MCSK maga copyright ne waloso e wigi nyoro nitie ber moro ni goro ni kwenda nitie gimoko magitimo maricho ma jower kata wasani ok ne ka gin gigo maginyalo timo mano koro kinyalo mana rango to kasani ngur mantiere kena ka Sauti Sol bendo donjo kanyo wende mag campaign MCSK bende timo nugi makare bese chudo samari chulo welo fachiel 1000 from MCSK
for like a whole 12 months, sometimes 6 months, and then you get a text message M-Pesa. Unajua people like us, for people, someone like me, I don't get M-Pesa messages from people a lot. I'm the one who's always sending money to people. But when you see received, you get very excited. Ibedo imor. Idwaro neno message wachango. Unaona? A message wachango message is saying you have received 2,000 from MCSK. Unaona? Then you're like, kweli mambo ni ngumu. Lakini I believe that something is being done right now. I mean, from just the way the industry is evolving, and we have better chances of seeing the industry elevate to the next level. Kama saizi yetu kiona nimeona hiyo case ya Sauti Sol, something that I would not want to, you know, because people are arguing from a political standpoint, so people are very emotional about that matter. Lakini tuliona hiyo story, but I believe kila kitu it's being worked on the interest of the artist to benefit. So I feel like I'm optimistic about the situation, and I believe it's going to change. Yeah. Na
kama ni wasanii na wangependa kuingia katika sanaa ya uimbaji, tukoro kaine nogi gitemo in a way makoro chopo kama koro okgiyoda pesa magiketo ethum the return sani kaine no isebedo ka idhiro play KE ka jo siasa tugo gi oketo wende makamagi uka ogeyo machalo nade giketo KE e campaigns magi to koro itero gi e court kendo weche makamagi.
I mean, for me, mimi chezeni wimbo yangu kila mahali bana. Mimi, for me, I just want my music to be played. I believe for other people, they don't have the same mindset. And of course, they have every right to take action and do whatever they want to do. But for me go musiki na play it. Mimi, for me, just play it where you can. No one is going to come and take court. No one is going to take court.
Nikech ngato tugo tumbinya kwa Ramogi juang intiere koda ote mane ne jatho mawantiere go kawuono mano Khaligraph Jones winjo nyinge kanyo osekoni kanyo ni en nyinge Brano huko Omolo kendo koro wantie kode Twak kae mara rupiny okinyi makawuono to miyo mana pache nitie jok ma oro penjo kae Khaligraph wacho ni sani koro in jara rieda iwacho ni koro mano meli nyar kogelo sani ojara rieda nyise ochwadwa mistari mara ateri dala gi
Prince Inda.
Nyalo miyo mistari maten kanyo kari mani wero koro.
Hata before niwapatie mistari, I want to give a big shout out to Prince Inda. Prince Inda is he's a big guy in the industry right now. And even when we were working on the song together, I just gave him a call. I was like, Mambo VP brother, inyalo be a studio and githum we can go here together. Said okay, cool. And then they came, we just did it and it happened. And we made one of the best songs ever. Now the song goes something like there's a part where I try to infuse Kijaluo kidogo, but
moko ringa ni biateri dalawa.
Boy. God damn, I wanna lose Cody. It's you, God, that's chose for me. 20 Moshada, I want the most jogi. Sudi Mundi better close OG. Yeah, that's off that song, yeah.
Kitio gi wer makamano. Tio gi artist mawuoka locally bedo kanyo koda Prince Inda, bedo kanyo koda Japesa. Tio koda wasani mawuoka Luo Nyanza, kata majo Luo. Tio koda yusi bedo machalo nade. Begi me teach my youth that easy time to work with.
For me, the story that many people will not understand about Khaligraph is that it was not until 2012 yenye mimi nilienda ushago mara ya kwanza kwa maisha yangu Bondo. Mimi I was just raised in Kayole na mimi sikuwa najua Kijaluo vizuri hata achako ponjora Dholuo in a song called Yego. And even if you listen to Yego, it's for those who understand Luo, they say that's broken Luo, but for those who don't understand, they're like, hey, you're speaking good Luo. So for me, I made it a task. I took it upon myself to say that I want to work with Luo artists so that I can also be able to kutengeneza my Luo vocabulary, you know. So anytime I work with, when I was working with Japesa sent me a song. What was the title of that song? Nyasaye or Nyakalaga.
Obongo
Nyakalaga. Yeah. And it gave me a challenge. I said, okay, it always puts me in that mindset where I feel like I need to get something. I need to show the people that despite my past, I am making making it my responsibility to learn this language and master this language so that I can even teach my kids. The mistake, wazazi wangu, they made a mistake of not kutuweka kwa hiyo culture terwa dala. So for me, I want to change that with my kids. I want them to learn Luo. So anytime I work with Prince Inda, they give me an easy time, of course, and I also enjoy the process.
Ekindego duto Khaligraph kairango jathum kaki wacho kanyo ni samoro dholuo nyalo bedo ni iwinje mana Nairobi ka mari gimo Ramogi TV ntiere ka ibo neno weche manyien nyoro gotieno kano loso iwacho ni ineno Ramogi TV mondo yud ng'eyo dholuo matin mantiere ka Ramogi TV kae waketo ni kata nyako Ramogi ajwang kanyo programs mamit mar kelo kodi ing'eyo dholuo ka intiere ot kanyo. Ramogi TV yude DSTV number 267. Go TV wantiere kanyo number 101. Zuku wantiere number 47. Tiyudo live pile ka pile Facebook kanyo kwa Ramogi Ajwang kata YouTube. Mondi med ng'eyo dholuo mopogore. Wantiere kae gi dakika machok to tieko mana twako kinyi makawuono kan wawinjo wenda Khaligraph Jones kachiel koda Prince Inda kan watieko twako kinyi makawuono kae to Joyce gi Sharon ang donyo kae ka wamielo mana matin ka watieko to sani jogo mapenjo ni family. Okiketi gi kumora mora machiegni koda wen. How supportive have they been? Kerango chenro gi duto mag wer. Be gisebedo ka gimi support madwarore e kinde gi mag wer?
My mom mama na
mano mama ni.
Mama now bedo very supportive from the beginning. The late Mr. Omolo was also supportive. But because of where we come from, kama Kayole, support ni just moral support, not financial support, but even the moral support is what got me to this level. So they've been supportive. She prays for me every day. My family, my wife, my children, and I mean my sisters, everyone has been supportive all through. Now I think your support here on nimefanya mpaka wa saa hii. And Khaligraph Jones, you know. Without them, I don't even think I would be able to take all the heat that Kenyans nyalo demotivate a person.
Depression.
Nyalo depression. So, but since the family has been there and they've been supportive, I mean, yeah, tuko hapa hivi. So yes, there you go.
Koro sani ka watieko any collabos maybe kairango mbele kanyo gi jower madongo mantiere Africa kae kata from outside Africa?
And the collabos that I've done already and some that I want to do. But even besides that, like I told you, I took it upon myself to make sure that Adwaro introduce the Luo culture into, you know, like the urban market properly, the way you guys are doing with Ramogi TV. So my aim is not even at this, now that I'm here on this platform, I'll say, I want to work more with the natives, like Wajaluo, or like Emajalamo, you know, Emajalamo. There's this guy, who's this other guy called
Inyalo Odongo Swag. Odongo Swag.
Odongo Swag. No, yeah, those guys. Yeah. So I feel like that is what the direction that I'm tending to take right now, as opposed to just working with international artists. I believe we are out in international kivyao, and we need to spread this language all over the world. Yeah.
Koro kawatieko to the upcoming artist. Your word to them, Okinyi Masani.
To all the upcoming artists, Aduaro Wachonia, you have to. I see. My team. Angitum called Tio Matek, by the way. It's funny enough that you brought it up. Thank you for that. T Matek. Nyasayo bro fungua niyo bro yao niyo unaona kama mimi as Khaligraph Jones, God was able to put me where I am today, and not very many people can sit where I'm seated right now, but because of Nyasaye we are here now. So I yani just be weka bidi Nyasayo bro yao niyo.
Mana kamano nyakora magajang mane watch ma Khaligraph Jones mano Brian huko Omolo
kutoka Bondo
alafu teko ni nyakora magajang ni mit mara tari to kore kidego duto wakawa mana thuolo makamai ntie wer makoro biro kanyo mar Khaligraph Jones kachel kod Prince Inda wada mana winje ka koro wadonje mood mar swag lao odiochieng makawuono maybe nigi performance mora weekend niko so
nigi performance kawuono. What is tonight?
Kawuono Teacher Beach Friday.
Teacher Beach, of course. I'm going to be performing in K1 tonight. Hapa hivi tu nini, come through, entrance is only 500 bob. You get to witness Khaligraph Jones live on stage, and those are the kind of lifetime experiences that you never forget. So come through, watch me perform on stage, and mano kamano.
Mana kamano. Koro nyaka sanya kora magajwang Khaligraph Jones datero wadala kachel kod Prince Inda kaka wono gotieno wachopuru kanyo mondo akony wuod Bondo, wacho ni wuod Uyoma Bondo gi Uyoma kanya ukono akuma Bondo chiegni gi Uyoma mit maratari wamiye luru sani ka koro gitero wadala kachel kod Prince Inda. Mane chenro mar ngejo thumbewa gi nyinga Cleophas Oloch kikri mabor mapodena Ramogi TV we wawinje koro kachel kod Prince Inda. Erokamano nya Khaligraph.